Hi, my name is Peter Parnay.
And I'm Don Tennyson.
We're sending you this video because we know that your company is considering or is actually hosting a Ninja installation. And there are three reasons that a lot of people struggle to make the decision to sign up. And we thought we might share those with you and see if this might help you get clear on the advantages and the benefits of coming to an installation.
Yeah, and Peter, one of the reasons we want to do that is because we're all in on this. We think a Ninja installation is the best possible investment you can make, and I do think we need to look at it as an investment, not only with financial terms, but also in terms of time as well.
Yeah, and we found there are really three reasons that people hesitate to sign up. The first is some people go, you know, I've been in the business 20 years, I've seen it all, right? The second is, oh my gosh, 4 days. Where am I going to find 4 days? And the third, of course, is it seems fairly expensive and I don't have the money. So let's tackle all three of those. Okay. All right. So the first one is?
I've seen it all. You know, Peter, the real question is, have we seen it all?
Right. So I'd been in the business 32 years before I saw my first Ninja installation. And I mean, some of you might not even remember, Tommy Hopkins was I don't even know if he's still alive, but he was the first trainer I ever saw. And I think I'd been to probably 20 different trainers over my career. And all I could say when I saw Ninja was, oh my gosh, if I had known it from the beginning. Right.
That very comment, when we visit with folks who've been to installations, we never worry about the high-producing, long-term realtors getting value out of an installation because, number one, the high-producing people, the people who've been in the business 15 or 20 years, are usually lifelong learners. That's why they've been in the business for as long as they have, and they know that they can always learn. The other thing is invariably, people will say, oh my gosh, if I'd have had this 15 years ago, if I'd have had this 20 years ago, you can't imagine what I could have done. So let's just go with that. Let's just do it now.
And the other piece about this is almost every other training that we were involved with, and this is why I fell in love with Ninja when I saw it, taught us high-pressure sales techniques, closing techniques, how to overcome an objection. Who likes to be overcome? Who wants to be closed? Our number one phrase is, everybody likes to buy and nobody likes to be sold. And this is completely different philosophically from anything you've ever seen, and our results are crazy. So number one, if you think you've seen it all, I would encourage you to give it a try. So far, even if you just said, I'll try it for 1 day, nobody at the end of the day has gone, I'm leaving. Everybody goes, thank gosh I came. So number two is the time commitment. Right. 4 days.
Yeah, and it's real. Yeah. People are busy. You know, I don't think I've ever went into a realtor who said, you know, I need some extra stuff to do. Give me some stuff to do. I've got plenty of extra time. Yeah. So everybody's busy, but I think, Peter, the real question is, it's not busy, it's how productive are we? And these 4 days will help you focus on production, not just busyness.
Our number one belief is that if you don't have or can't think you can make the time for this, that's the number one reason to come. Our goal at Ninja Selling is to increase your income per hour so you can have a life. So if you are one of those 24/7, 365 realtors who just say, if I could just find 10 minutes, we believe that we will answer that question as our number one value-added piece for you during the installation. So that's the second reason to come. And the third is,
do I have the money?
Do I have the money?
Yeah.
It seems like a lot.
Right. And you know, one of the things, money's hard to talk about, but if we're going to get along in our real estate business, there comes a time when we have to make an investment, not only in our business, but also in ourselves. And we think with Ninja that it's not just about creating a better business, but it's also creating a better life. And one of the things that differentiates us with the Ninja installation is we'll help you build a better business, and we'll help you get a return on investment from whatever you pay to come to the Ninja installation. But the more valuable thing is we think we can help you improve the quality of your life as well.
You know, a lot of times when somebody says that to me, I ask the hard question. If you don't have $850 left on a credit card, you're right at the edge. But if you have $850 left before you hit your credit limit, most of the time before you leave the installation, this isn't a guarantee, you will have found 1 or 2 or 3 transactions that you didn't know existed, and you will have more than paid for it 3 to 5 times over. So again, if money is the number one reason you can't come, it's the number one reason you should come, because we'll solve that for you, and we'll solve it for you pretty darn quickly.
You know what's fun, Peter, about this is that in many cases, it's the folks who said, I had to come kicking and screaming because my manager made me do it, who are the most grateful that they were there.
Yeah, no, that's exactly right. So we hope that these few minutes have enticed you a little bit. If you're on the fence, we'd urge you to give it a go. So far, we haven't had anybody that regretted it. You might be the first, but we hope not. And we would really love to see you and meet you and enjoy spending 4 days with you. We think you'll find it fantastically valuable. Take care. See you soon.